Welcome back, guys, to another fundamental concept of Python. So, in this concept, we'll be talking about the terminator. So, what is a terminator? Terminators are used to complete a statement. Usually, we use semicolon as a statement terminator. But in Python, we don't need to put semicolon at the end of the statement, but we only need it when writing a multiple statement at a single line. Like JavaScript or Python or PHP or other programming language, you use semicolon is very important. In fact, your code won't run if you don't actually put in your semicolon. But in Python, it's optional. Yes, it's optional. You don't probably you might want to, you might don't want to, but it's totally fine if you don't want to use semicolon. But if you want to write a multiple statement at a single line, we talked about single line comments and multiple line comment. Also, I want to write a multiple statement at a single line. You might want to, or you must use a semicolon. If not, your code will be reading error. So let's just dive straight to it. We'll go straight to my VS Code and okay, I'm gonna switch programs. VS Code. Okay, so this 25 previous one we created, so let me create another file. Was that terminator.py. That's py. Okay, so first of all, let me clear this. Clear. Okay. So come here. You said let's say print. I know I'm using this print statement a lot. It's a tab. Let's say it's right. Um this is a comment. So this is a statement. Sorry. Let's try and put in the semicolon. As you can see, it's not showing any error. Not showing any error. Not giving us any error. Okay, it's not showing any error. So let's talk about what about if we should remove it. Let's give it a try. Let's try if it's still gonna work out. See, the same thing, but if let's say we want to write a multiple statement on a single line, print. So it's giving us error. So let's save it and run this code. Let's save it and run this code. I just need to do this. It's a bit stressful, that. Okay, wow. You see, it's giving us error because we're trying to write multiple statements on a single line. But let's try and see something here. See, the error is no longer showing. Let's run the code and see. Wow, you see, it's not giving us any error because we actually put the code in this other statement in next line. But let's try and see. Let's remove it and let's see when it's saving. Then let's put the semicolon. As you can see, the code, the error has gone because you can only use semicolon if you want to write a multiple. If you want to put a multiple line, you want to write a multiple statement on a single line. Let's save this and uh, Let's save this and run the code. There you go. Wow. So this is all about Terminator. So I'll be seeing you in the next slide. Thank you.